In this video, you will learn how to import custom data from external tables or databases that you want to include in the Info360 Asset model. You will want to import custom data when the information you want to use in a risk or rehab analysis cannot be imported in Asset GIS tables, which is the case with data that comes from asset management spreadsheets or CMMS systems, for example, past work order data or custom scoring data. To import custom data, click on the data icon to the left. Under the data page, click on User-Defined Tables. Click New Import. The User-Defined Data page will allow you to import external tables and map all the fields that you want to use under the risk or rehab analysis. First, specify a table name. Then, specify a system type, a related asset type, and a data source. I'm going to specify sanitary sewer as my system type, pipe as my asset type, and local file as my data source. To learn more about the system types, asset types, and data sources available in Info360 Asset, please view the video description below. Now, drag and drop a file to import it. Once the file is imported, a message will appear saying that the process has been completed. Now you're ready to conduct mapping. To map a field, simply click on the field on the right side, choose a target field, and if the field corresponds to the primary ID that matches the primary ID in the GIS, make sure to select the primary key box. Note that at least one of the fields mapped must be a primary key so that Info360 Asset can conduct a join from the external table to the assets table in the backend. Note the source type and the sample values to make sure that you're mapping the correct field. Choose a target usage and source unit only when applicable. Once you're done, click OK. Continue this mapping process for all the fields that you want to have in Info360 Asset or that you want to use as part of a risk analysis or rehab analysis. Once you're done mapping all the fields, click Import. Name your mapping configuration and click OK. Once the import is completed, a message will appear at the bottom left corner. Note that the import configuration will be saved for future custom data updates, and it will save time during the mapping process. Once you're done, click Cancel to exit the User-Defined Data page. A summary of the import will be available under the Data page, including the table name, the name of the file for future reference, the date it was uploaded, who it was uploaded by, and the field count of all the fields that were mapped. The status will show as imported unless the import failed. Now, the data from this table will be available for use under risk and rehab analysis. You have now learned how to import custom data into Info360 Asset. Thank you.